everyone, my name is Deb Marke and I'm the Assistant Director of Advocacy and Social Justice Education in the Office of Civic and Community Engagement, and today we are making breakfast burritos. So let's get started. Before we get started cooking, it's really important that we start off washing our hands. You're supposed to wash your hands for 20 seconds, and for today we're going to do that by singing Jolene by Dolly Parton. Jolene, 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 Jolene. There are some more words that I don't really know. Jolene, 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 Jolene. It's really important you get in between your fingers and rub your palms together. So to roll your burrito, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the sides, bring that in, and you're going to take your thumbs and pull it over, and then pull everything back, and then we're just going to roll. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me on making breakfast burritos. I hope that you really enjoy it. Share in the comments below how you made your breakfast burrito. Shake it out. Grab a can opener Tortillas, some cheese, 2 tomatoes. You should just rinse off. This is what I learned, Sarah. Like, we rinsed off the tops because they're at the grocery store. My parents would give us soap, and we put the soap on there, and we would clean it and rinse it and then open it. That's what happens. And we're going to mash it together. Mash it together. Mash it together. Mash it together.